Would you like to be more efficient when working with closed captions and Articulate Storyline? Well, you can certainly manage them at the slide level, but you can also manage them at the course level using the Media Library. You first go to the View tab and then Media Library. There, on the Audio and Video tabs, you can use the Captions field and the icons there to determine if you have closed captions attached yet. If you'd like to add captions, you can click one of those icons and add them right there using the built-in editor. Or if you maybe already have a captions file, perhaps from a third-party vendor, you can import it right from there. You can also manage your closed captions here in the Media Library. Over in the information panel on the right, you can see which file was used, and then you can also replace a file, or whether you've added it manually or imported it, you can edit them in the built-in editor. If you use the Media Library, you can manage all your closed captions in one place.